So looking at number 2, so we're talking about our slope or our rate of change. So we have to remember your rate of change or your slope is simply the change in your y values over the change in your x values, okay? So we'll look over here. I'm going to start from this left point and move to the right. Okay, so I'm looking at my change in y's. Our y-axis goes up and down, so we need to figure out this change. So I'm starting here at this point, and I'm moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I moved up, so that change in y is a positive 7. Now I need to move to the right. 1, 2, 3. I move to the right. Okay, so that change in x is a positive 3. So I had a change in y of positive 7, change in x of positive 3. That's about as simple as it'll go. You can plug 7 divided by 3 into your calculator, and it will give you 7 over 3. Okay, the other method that will come in handy in just a second when you get to the next section, remember, you can also figure out your change if you take your second y value minus your first y value and put that over the change in your x values. Okay, so using this formula, if that's something that you would be interested in doing. I know some of us like to have a formula. Okay, so if I look here at my first point, it's at 1, 2, 3, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, so my first y value was negative 4. My first x value is negative 3. And then moving up to my second point, this one is at 0, 3. So my second y value is at 3. My second x value is at 0. Okay, so I've got my y value minus my y value, my x value minus my x value. Okay, negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Negative 3 minus 0 is negative 3. A negative divided by a negative is a positive 7/3. So notice in both cases, it doesn't matter how you do it, your rate of change is 7/3.